He wrecked out, he flipped, started an ambulance. It's on fire. It had ejected both of them out onto the ground right over here.
Ever watched those crazy high-speed police chases on TV or online? They can be pretty intense, and sometimes they take a turn for the worst. We're getting into some of the most shocking high-speed police chases of all time, starting with an incident that happened in December 2023. A black car was speeding away from the cops, zooming through the streets like it's a Fast and Furious movie.
Following. Whoa! There. Oh, jeez! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! That guy in that black car. I hope they're okay. They took the brunt of it. Yeah, the door's open.
Suddenly, boom! The car crashes. The guy in the black car takes the brunt of the hit. You can see the door open, which is a relief. He's alive.
That's a positive sign. He's getting out. He's running. That's the suspect. Falling. Hopefully, just stay down. Just stay down. Just stay down. Oh my goodness. There you go. That's the guy. That's the guy that was in the black car right there.
But then he does something crazy. Instead of staying put, he bolts from the car, probably running on pure adrenaline.
That's got to be adrenaline just getting him out of that car. Oh, what a tragic ending. Unbelievable.
The chase is over, but the damage is done. It's a tragic ending, reminding us how quickly things can go south in a high-speed pursuit.
What's my best exit? And he just gunned it.
What is it? YZN?
He's accelerating away from us. Vehicle's occupied one time.
Too reckless.
It's too reckless.
In November 2023, we have what the cops call a wolf pack operation.
When he kept on picking up the speeds and just blowing through the stop signs, we just decided to back off of him.
It's too reckless. And at that point, I knew he was getting close to that major intersection.
He just pointed out.
They had a car coming down.
These guys hunt in packs just like wolves, and they were on the prowl in Memphis.
Amazingly, he was moving. He was trying to get out of his windshield.
There's one. Drop it.
Jay and Cedric spotted the perpetrator, and he was running down the street.
He was kind of slow because he was limping, and I wasn't going to let him get away.
They spot a car that shoots across a stop sign without stopping. Red flag. They light him up, but instead of pulling over, he guns it.
Right here. Wait.
When I caught up to him, he hopped over a car that was parked over there
Got a code for him.
and tried to scoot under it and pretend like we didn't see him.
You know, you almost killed somebody over there.
You all right, man? Is it just you in here? Yeah, what happened? A car just ran that into you.
Speeds climb, stop signs get ignored, and before you know it, he crashes into another car at a major intersection.
The head, where you got pain?
2 EMS vehicles, but we need the BOGO EMS to the hospital.
3424. You have 2 EMS units en route? I'm gonna need 2.
Honestly, that victim got out of that car in amazingly good shape, considering what had just happened to him.
The victim's car flips onto its side. Miraculously, the driver is alive and trying to escape through the windshield. The suspect, limping from the crash, is caught hiding under a parked car. Turns out, he was running because of some petty warrants and a bit of weed. Talk about overreacting.
Okay, I have you in the field. Okay, vehicle going to the field, which one is it? They were both wheeling around there, looks like.
This one's a bit different. In May 2024, the cops were chasing a car that went into a field. They're communicating over different channels, trying to coordinate. The chase reaches crazy speeds, 110 miles an hour through school zones and up to 120 miles an hour on open roads.
Speeds of 115.
The car eventually loses control and crashes. The driver tries to escape, but is quickly caught.
Put your f***ing hands up now!
Show us your hands now! Show us your hands now!
She complains of back pain and is unresponsive while a female passenger is found unconscious. The scene is chaotic, with multiple officers in emergency vehicles rushing to handle the aftermath.
Failed to stop. He's bullied his way around the unmarked standby, and he's pushing forwards. He's into the crops. All right, people, I suggest you don't follow him through this field because he's got better capability than you have, I think.
In August 2024, imagine a car chase through a field. The suspect's vehicle is more capable, leaving the cops struggling to keep up.
Crash, crash, crash. Can we have an ambulance, please, to the last location, Bungay Road, A143, head-on collision with a member of the public. So fire brigade instantly and ambulance, please.
The driver heads back towards the road, but has steering issues and crashes head-on with another car on Bungay Road.
He's off, sir. There's someone in it?
No.
No, do you know what just happened?
No.
The impact is severe, and the call for an ambulance is immediate. The chaos underscores how dangerous these chases can be, especially when they spill out of urban areas and into open fields.
He's smoking pretty bad right now. He's still throwing. He wrecked out, he flipped, started an ambulance. It's on fire.
Lastly, in July 2023, we have a chase that starts with a suspected DWI.
Get him out of here! Get him out!
Okay, please. I can't.
The red car is all over the road, failing to maintain its lane. The car hits a curb, starts throwing sparks, and eventually flips, ejecting both occupants.
Why are you running? Stay on your butt, boy. Stay on your butt. You get up, you're getting tased.
The car catches fire, but officers manage to put it out. The driver, in pain and confused, claims he wasn't driving. He ran because he was on probation and in a drug-infested area.
All right.
Hold on, it ain't on.
Okay. All right. I don't really know what's going on with him right now. Just trying to get him in custody. I'm gonna check his waistband, make sure he doesn't have any weapons.
No, that's on you.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Fine. Ma'am, what's your main complaint of pain right now?
A bag of narcotics is found nearby. This chase could have easily ended in fatalities, but thankfully both occupants survived. So, what are your thoughts on these wild chases? Let us know in the comments below.